In 1961, Sam and Florence Sasser moved to the small island country of the Marshall Islands as missionaries. The spiritual climate of the nation was dead and cold, but God had a special plan in store for his Marshallese people. As Sam and Florence built relationship with the local people and preached the gospel message, revival broke out on the island. They saw thousands saved and baptized. Churches were planted. A Bible institute was founded to feed the newfound hunger of these Marshallese believers. The island began to see reformation. Although the couple encountered tragedy when in 1995 Sam passed away from medical complications, Florence decided to continue the work and went back to the Marshalls 2 years later. In 2008, she moved back to the United States to be near family. She continued to work, however, with the largest community of Marshallese in America in Springdale, Arkansas. Then in 2010, Pacific Mission Outreach was founded. Pacific Mission Outreach is a nonprofit aimed at raising up the Marshallese people to live out an active relationship with God, fueled by the Bible and prayer, and equipping them to transform their communities. Our pillars are prayer, training, equipping, and empowering. Prayer. We hold a weekly prayer meeting in the Marshallese community in Springdale, Arkansas. Training. We provide teaching on subjects like unity in the body of Christ, intimacy with God, and releasing God's power through intercession. We hold conferences in the Marshallese community for more in-depth training on biblical topics. Equipping. We have developed and translated many discipleship materials into the Marshallese language to equip children, adults, leaders, and families. Empowering. Florence is building a leadership team of Marshallese men and women with the aim of handing greater responsibility in areas of ministry over to them. We are asking you to join us. First of all, pray with us. Pray for revival in the Marshallese community. Pray for marriages and families to be strengthened. Pray for evangelism, prayer, and deep discipleship to become the exciting normal of the Marshallese Christian walk with Jesus. Secondly, become a partner. We couldn't do what we do without the contributions of ministry partners, and we are so grateful for how they stand with us. We are honored to invite you to join us and become one of them. Together, we can become a part of seeing these precious island people raised up in the ways of God and empowered to do all that He has for them to do.
Heaven is open. You took my blame. The broken are alive in you. You've given them a new name. My heart opens when I lift these eyes. You're ripping the veil in two. You're singing, let hope rise. Wonder